Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Arianna. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video, I decided to do a summer makeup routine. I find it very easy, simple, and natural looking, which is what I usually go for. Without further ado of me talking and boring the shit out of you guys, let's get into the video.
What you're missing, I know I will. I just spent all my money on some shit I didn't need. Watch me swallow my insanity with bottles of the green. Yeah, I'm walking through the city, but it's feeling like a ghost town. Yeah, I'm dreaming that you're with me, but you're gone, I'm so alone now. Hating the situation, I'm too tired of facing the feeling I'm craving. This life is amazing, but something is missing. And don't call me crazy, but I feel like living way up in the stars. If I believe hard, I can make it. I'm trying to take a spaceship, there's delay, it's fucking raining. I'm wandering alone.
So during summertime, I don't actually use concealer because then I have different shades of skin color. Like, my body's dark, my face is semi-light, and then my under eyes are super bright. So I just don't use concealer.
Lazy on this perfect day with you, thinking of a payment plan as gold standard substitute. Got a blunt or two in love with you, coping with this juxtaposed life we keep on living. We're just waiting for the summer June. You wouldn't know what you're missing, left with no one's permission. Writing rhymes in the kitchen while you're changing your clothes. I'm turning smiles to frowns, now nobody's around. So here's a song with some more shitty thoughts I wrote.
I'll be thinking of you while I stare up at the sky. Darling, you're my favorite reason to cry.
Again, I'm so in love with you.
I really need you with me. It's so lonely in this city. If you never knew what you wanted, how could you know joy is what you're missing? What you're missing? What you're missing?
I know I will. I just spent all my money on some shit I didn't need. Watch me swallow my insanity with bottles of the green. Yeah, I'm walking through the city, but it's feeling like a ghost town. Yeah, I'm dreaming that you're with me, but you're gone, I'm so alone now. Hating the situation, I'm too tired of facing the feeling.
There you have it, guys. That was my summer makeup routine. It's just an easy summer glam look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to check out my Instagram account, and I will see you guys in another video. I love you.
That it feels right.